Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about Numpy searching arrays. Okay. So you can search an array for a certain value and return the indexes that gets matched. Okay. To search an array we can use where function method. So you all can see over here we have used what where. So here is the simple example. One variable then np.array 1 2 3 4 5 4 and 4, and what we are checking or what we are searching actually, that np dot where, that is the function where function, that arr equal to what, 4. So it is at which index number 4 is there. So this is index 0 1 2, so index 3, index 5 and index 6. So print x, that is control s and f5. See, we are getting that index number 3, index number 5 and index number 6 are there. Okay. And same way we can write some different program also. For example, if it is odd even number. Okay. And suppose I have some numbers like 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And I am writing one condition over here, that if it is mod 2 equal to 0, only print those indexes only. Control S and F5. See, 1 3 5 7, because at index number 1, index number 3, index number 5 and index number 7 we have what, odd number. And same way if you want you can change the condition also. Control S and F5. See, 0 2 4 0 2 4 and 6 where we have the odd numbers. Okay. So next thing is, what is the meaning of the search sorted? Okay. So there is one more method which we call it as a search sorted, which performs binary search in the array, and it will return the index where the specified value would be inserted to maintain the search order. Okay, so where you can insert. So with example it will be very easy to understand. And one more thing, one just a note only, the search sorted function method is assumed to be used on sorted arrays. Okay, so suppose if we have array, for example 6 7 8 9 or 10 11 12 and 13, for example, only four numbers. And as I said, it is search. Okay. And search sorted. Okay. And then our variable name, which is arr. Okay, comma. Okay, now whatever number you will write over here, so what search sorted function will do, that according to the array, this number should be placed at which index number, so just to maintain your sorted array. So obviously 1 we can place at index number 0. Correct. So for example, control S and F5. See, index number what, 0. Suppose if I change my value, for example 19. Okay, so we know this is in sorted order 10 11 12 13, and after that only 19 should come. So 0 1 2 and 3, so index number 4. Control S F5. See, and suppose if we change the numbers, like here we have for example 21, here we have 32, and here we have 43. Suppose now in between one number, for example 25. Okay, for example. Okay, so here obviously 25 is greater than 10 as well as 21, but it is less than 32. So we can place 25 somewhere over here. That means index number not 0, not 1, but it will be at index number 2. So let's check the output of this. See, that is the actual use of search sorted. Okay, and you can search also from the right hand side. If you want to search, that means you only have to write side equal to what, right. That's it, not else. And suppose if you have multiple values, that means to search for more than one value, okay, use an array with the specified values. So how you can do that also, suppose it is like list form. For example, if I say 15, comma 25 and 35 for example. So you all can see 15 we can place somewhere over here, which is index number 1. Okay. 25 we can place 0, 1 and index number 2 over here. And 35 we can place 0, 1, 2 and index number 3. That means our answer should be 1, 2 and 3. Control S. C. So this is how you can place multiple values also. So that is all about where function as well as the search sorted. Thank you everyone.